Namaste students. Today I am going to discuss about the microbes of plants which contaminated food. There are different kind of bacterial flora which are present on the plant surfaces. On the basis of the presence of the plants, presence of the microorganism, there are two surfaces on which the microbes can get attached. The one surface is leaf surface and the other surface is plant root surface. The microbes which are found in the leaf surface are hydroplane flora, and the microbes which are found in the surface of the root of the plants are known as the rhizoplane flora. The bacteria flora of the aerial plant surface include gram-negative roots such as Pectobacterium, Erwinia, Pseudomonas, and Xanthomonas. And these microbes are present in the surface, aerial part. These are present in the aerial part, including the leaves, leaf part. And smaller flora of fermentative gram-positive bacteria such as Lactobacillus are also found in the upper part, aerial part. This is the lactobacillus, and they are found on the aerial surface of the plant. Uh, Similarly, some yeast genera are also found on the plants, in- including the Sporobolomyces and Bulera, which are found in the leaf surface of the plants. And the molds, yeast, and bacteria do not harm young plant surface. So they do not cause any problem in the storage of the plant products, but they sometimes cause diseases after harvesting, not the young plant, but after harvesting they cause the spoilage of the plant. The natural recycling of organic matter. These organisms would help to break down the complex plant matter to carbon, nitrogen, and other elements and nutrients. So these microbes utilize the plant materials for the consumption of carbon, nitrogen, and some important source of food material for so that these microbes can grow very well by using the plants as a nutrient source. But when humans break into the cycle and harvest plant products such as fruits, vegetables, these then these organisms can cause spoilage in the food because they do when the plant is not getting nutrient from the environment, then how these plant uh, can cause the survival of the microbes. So if the plant is also getting the nutrients from the soil, they are giving the nutrients to the microbes. But uh, if the plant are harvested and this cycle is disturbed by the humans, then the plant spoiled get spoiled by the microbes. Because if spoilage occurs when there is not a important thing, that is the storage of the plant. If there is a good storage, good preservation of the plant material after harvesting, then there is no spoilage. But if there if there is any problem with the in spoilage, then the microbes cause spoilage in the food material such as fruits, vegetables. This is the Erwinia carotina, that is a pathogen of potato plant causing black log disease. This is the black log disease, black leg disease, and but it occurs when it is harvested. It is not before harvesting, it is after harvesting. The senescent plant which carry different cereal, Cladosporium alternaria, these are the fungi. Cladosporium alternaria, these are the fungi. And after harvesting and the reduction of the grain, the field flora decrease in the number and replaced by a storage flora which include species of the Penicillium and Aspergillus. And most of the fungi which cause the spoilage of the plant are Penicillium and Aspergillus species because they are the most they contain some toxins, and due to these toxins the plant get spoiled, the plant products get spoiled, the grains get spoiled, the vegetable get spoiled. So these are the fungi which have spoilage property. Some genera of fungi such as Fusarium contains different species and some of which are splashed in plant pathogens, and they cause some saprophytic nature. Saprophytic means they are in the soil and take the use of dead materials as a nutrient source. And these fungi can also transmit it to the can also transmit to the plants, and after transmitting to plants the plant the fungi can cause spoilage. Aspergillus flavus is a very important also because it has ability to cause carcinogenic metabolite. They contain some aflatoxin which cause which have some toxins. These are the toxins. Aflatoxin means these are the some toxins which are present in the Aspergillus flavus, and they cause spoilage mostly when harvesting is completed and storage is continued. So they cause spoilage. So, so as a conclusion, we can say that जो microbes होते हैं वो प्लांट्स को भी स्पॉइल कर सकते हैं. प्लांट्स को वो कैसे स्पॉइल करते हैं कि उनमें या तो वो लीफ की सरफेस अपर सरफेस को स्पॉइल करते हैं या फिर रूट की सरफेस होती है उसको स्पॉइल करते हैं. और उनमें जो माइक्रोब्स होते हैं वो माइक्रोब्स क्या करते हैं जब हार्वेस्टिंग होती है तब प्लांट को स्पॉइल करते हैं क्योंकि जब नॉर्मल बेसिस पे जो प्लांट्स होते हैं उनके ऊपर माइक्रोब्स प्रेजेंट रहते हैं बट उस पॉइंट पर वो उसको हार्म नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि प्लांट्स भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स अचीव करते रहते हैं, न्यूट्रिएंट्स लेते रहते हैं एनवायरनमेंट से, सोइल से न्यूट्रिएंट्स लेते रहते हैं. तो उसको जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स होता है उसकी डिप्लीशन नहीं होती है. लेकिन जब प्लांट्स को के जो प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं जैसे फ्रूट्स है, वेजिटेबल्स है, उनकी जब हार्वेस्टिंग हो जाती है, जब निकाल लेते हैं हम उनको, तब जो प्लांट्स का जो साइकिल है, प्लांट और माइक्रोब्स का जो साइकिल है वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है, जिससे जो माइक्रोब्स होते हैं उनको उनको तो न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलते रहते हैं, लेकिन जो प्लांट्स होते हैं, जो फ्रूट्स होते हैं, उनको न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं मिल पाते हैं, जिससे उनके अंदर जो अवेलेबल न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं वो माइक्रोब्स एब्जॉर्ब करते रहते हैं और उसको डिप्लीट करते रहते हैं, जिससे जो भी फ्रूट मटेरियल है जैसे फ्रूट्स हो गए, वेजिटेबल्स हो गए, वो स्पॉइल होने लग जाते हैं, डिस्ट्रॉय होने लग जाते हैं, डिप्लीट होने लग जाते हैं, और उनको डिप्लीट करता है माइक्रोब्स. तो ये इसके अंदर सबसे ज़्यादा जो इम्पोर्टेंट माइक्रोब्स होते हैं जो फूड स्पॉइल करते हैं वो होते हैं फंगाई. फंगाई बहुत सारे होते हैं जो फूड का टॉक्सिक इफेक्ट दिखाते हैं, फूड के अंदर टॉक्सिक इफेक्ट दिखाते हैं, जैसे कि एस्परजिलस फ्लेविस जिनके पास में एफ्लोटॉक्सिन नाम की एक टॉक्सिन होती है जो प्लांट को टॉक्सिक मेटाबोलाइट्स में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं. और उसके बाद में फूड का स्पॉइलेज कर हो जाता है। तो आज का टॉपिक हमारे यहीं तक कंप्लीट है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।